In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your orders on Shopee. Whether you've just started using Shopee or you've been shopping there for a while, knowing how to track and check your orders is an essential skill. It will help you stay updated on where your packages are and when you can expect them to arrive. So, let's dive into the process and make things as simple and clear as possible for you. To begin with, you'll want to open the Shopee app on your smartphone, or if you're using a computer, head over to the Shopee website. Once you're on the platform, the first thing you need to do is log into your Shopee account. If you've made recent purchases, this is how you'll be able to track and review them easily. Logging in ensures that you have access to your personalized details and purchase history. After you're logged in, you'll notice your account or profile name at the top right corner of the screen. Hover over it, which will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to click on either My Purchases or My Orders. Doing so will direct you to a comprehensive list of your orders. Here, you'll be able to see all recent purchases categorized into different statuses such as processing, shipped, and delivered. If you're interested in checking the specifics of a particular order, simply tap or click on the order you wish to review. Once you do that, a detailed summary will pop up. This summary includes everything you need to know: the items you purchased, the unique order number for reference, the payment method you used, and the shipping address. Furthermore, you can view the delivery status to see if your order is still processing, has been shipped, or is already delivered. Now, if you are eagerly awaiting your delivery, Shopee provides a convenient way to track your package in real time. Within the order details, there is a track package option. By clicking on this, you can view the current shipping updates of your package. It allows you to track each step from the warehouse to your doorstep. These steps are incredibly user-friendly, and Shopee has designed the platform to be intuitive, ensuring that tracking your orders is as hassle-free as possible. By following these instructions, you can manage your shopping experience with ease and stay on top of all your deliveries. Remember to regularly check the status of your orders if you're awaiting multiple packages, and enjoy a seamless shopping experience every time you use Shopee. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping!